Obsidian versus Capacities, which second brain app wins? Choosing the right second brain app can completely change how you organize your thoughts and ideas without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore these two powerful options. Obsidian and Capacities are both designed to help you manage information effectively. The core difference lies in their approach. Obsidian focuses on linking notes and building a knowledge graph, while Capacities emphasizes structured organization and task management. Obsidian is a versatile note-taking app that allows users to create a network of interconnected notes. It operates in a markdown format, making it easy to customize and format your notes. One of its strengths is the ability to visualize connections through a graph view, which helps in understanding relationships between ideas. Users can also install various plugins to enhance functionality, catering to specific needs like task management or project planning. However, its steep learning curve may be a limitation for beginners. Obsidian is ideal for users who prefer a free-form approach to note-taking and want to create a rich, interconnected knowledge base. Capacities is designed with a focus on structured organization, making it an excellent choice for users who thrive on clarity and order. It offers a clean interface where users can create notes, tasks, and projects seamlessly. The app's unique feature is its ability to categorize information into different capacities, allowing for easy navigation and retrieval. Additionally, Capacities supports collaboration, enabling teams to work together effectively. While it may lack some of the advanced linking features of Obsidian, its simplicity and user-friendly design make it accessible for all skill levels. Capacities is perfect for users who prefer a more organized and task-oriented approach to managing their second brain. When comparing Obsidian and Capacities, consider how you plan to use the app. If you enjoy creating a web of interconnected notes and exploring complex relationships between ideas, Obsidian is the better choice. Its graph view and extensive plugin library enhance creativity and depth. On the other hand, if you prefer a straightforward, structured approach to note-taking and task management, Capacities shines with its organized system and user-friendly interface. For example, a student might favor Obsidian for research projects, while a project manager may opt for Capacities to keep tasks and deadlines in check. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal workflow and preferences. For those who value creativity and interconnectedness in their note-taking, Obsidian is the recommended choice. If you prefer a structured approach to managing notes and tasks, Capacities is the way to go. Both apps have unique strengths, so choose the one that aligns best with your workflow for optimal productivity.